Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the topic mutation in detail. So what is mutation? Mutation, that is the change in the gene sequence, change in the nucleotide sequence or change in the chromosomes of the DNA, that is the mutation. And mutation can be done by the natural method or it is done by scientists, so that is known as induced mutation. In this video we will discuss the types of mutation also. So the natural means if the mutation is occurring by the natural method, naturally it is occurring, and generally the frequency of natural mutation, that is less. Frequency of natural mutation we can say that is less, and the frequency of induced mutation, that is more. So there are the some reasons or the some factors due to which the mutation takes place, and that are known as the mutagens. In this video we will discuss about mutagens also. So which cause the mutation, known as mutagens. So naturally if it is taking place by the natural method, or induced if we are adding something or we are changing the sequence, scientists are changing the sequence, then it is known as induced mutation. So let us discuss about the some scientist who has done the induced mutation. So first the Muller was the scientist who worked on Drosophila. There was one scientist also, that was T.H. Morgan, and he is also known as the father of experimental biology. So he studied the linkage and recombination also. Now this scientist Muller, he worked on Drosophila. He treated the Drosophila fruit fly with X-rays, and then after that the mating takes place, and after mating he observed the mutation in the offsprings of Drosophila. And due to this X-ray there is the changes, or there are the change in the progeny of the Drosophila, and that is due to X-ray. So here this X-ray, that is the mutagen, means due to which the mutation takes place. Second is the Beadle and Totem. Beadle scientist, he was the genetist, and Totem, he was the biochemist. So these two scientists worked on a fungus, and they also observed the mutation in case of fungus, and that fungus was Neurospora. So these two scientists, they observed the mutation in case of fungus Neurospora. After that M.S. Swaminathan, you all are aware about M.S. Swaminathan. He is known as the father of Green Revolution, and he worked on the wheat. He treated the wheat with the gamma rays and developed the modified wheat variety, so that he is also known as the Indian genetist or father of Green Revolution, because due to the increasing population of different countries, the demand of the food that is increasing, but the land that is less as compared to the demand. So if we have the good technique to develop good variety, so with a very less land we can develop the more product, or we can say we can increase the yield of that product. So like in case of wheat. So there were the two scientists, first that is the Muller and Beadle and Totem, and then it is the M.S. Swaminathan. Now we will discuss the types of mutation. So there are the different types of mutation on the basis of different agencies. So on the different basis the types are also different. So firstly we will discuss on the basis of cell involved. So in case of human being, in case of other animals, their bodies are made up of cell. So on the basis of cell involved, कि जो सेल इन्वॉल्व है, जो उसमें सेल इन्वॉल्व होगी म्यूटेशन में, जो उसमें शामिल होगी, उसके बेस पे जो म्यूटेशन है वो कितने टाइप की होगी. सो इन आवर बॉडी देयर आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ सेल. आई थिंक यू कैन टेल देयर आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ सेल. फर्स्ट आर द सोमैटिक सेल्स, somatic, and second that is the germ cell. So on the basis of the cell we can say the somatic mutation and second is the germinal mutation. Somatic word, it is related to the somatic cell. What are the somatic cells? The cells present in our body which do not make the gametes. Means the cells present in our body except the reproductive organs are known as somatic cells, and the mutation in these cells is known as somatic mutation. तो अगर सोमैटिक म्यूटेशन होगा तो वो लाइक हम कह सकते हैं हमारी स्किन सेल्स में होगा, और अगर स्किन सेल में म्यूटेशन हो गया तो उससे क्या हो सकता है, कैंसर डेवलप हो सकता है. बट दैट कैंसर इज़ नॉट ट्रांसफर टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. वी कैन से दिस सोमैटिक म्यूटेशन दैट नॉट ट्रांसफर, or we can say that is not inherited, not transfer to the next generation or not inherited to the next generation. In the next generation, or we can say progeny, in the progeny. So the somatic mutation that not transfer in the next generation, so it is not inherited or not transfer, or you can say it next is the germinal mutation. So in case of germinal word is related to germ cell, and the germ cells they give rise to gamete, and there are the two types of gamete. In case of male, that is the sperm, and in case of female, that is the egg. And if there is the mutation in case of sperm or in case of egg, so by the fusion of the sperm and egg, you are aware that zygote is formed, and from that zygote then further embryo or the fetus and finally the young one. So if there is the change in the gamete or if there is the mutation in the germ cell, then there will be the mutation in case of the offspring also. So we can say the germinal mutation, they can transfer from one generation to another generation. So this germinal epithelium or the germinal mutation that can transfer from one generation to another. So on the basis of the cell involved, there are the two types of mutation, somatic mutation and germinal mutation. Then the second is the on the basis of the agency of the mutation, कि किसकी वजह से म्यूटेशन हुआ है, कौन सी एजेंसी उसमें इन्वॉल्व हुई है. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एजेंसी ऑफ म्यूटेशन, agency of mutation. So there are the two types of agency we can say. First, that may be due to the natural method, so we can say natural mutation, and if it is due to some R involvement or due to the some other reason, then we can say induced mutation. We have discussed earlier also the natural, that is due to the natural methods, natural reasons are there, and induced, that is done by ourselves, or that is done by the some chemicals. So that is the induced mutation. Now on the, you can say there are the some agents which are responsible for the mutations, that are known as mutagens. So the natural mutation that takes place continuously, or it is also known as the spontaneous mutation, and it is by the natural method. So the frequency of natural mutation, that is less as compared to induced mutation. So this induced mutation is due to the something other factor or the outer factor, and those factors are nothing but these are the mutagens. So these mutagens are of different categories, like the physical mutagens are there. In case of physical mutagens, X-ray, gamma ray, beta ray. In the chemical mutagens, first is the physical, then second is the chemical. In the chemical mutagens, different chemicals are responsible for mutation, and different like temperature also, different chemicals. So these are the mutagens which cause the induced mutation. So that is about the mutation. In our next video we will discuss about the gene mutation and the chromosomal mutation.